Hello everyone! During our today's tutorial I will show you how to paint lovely Christmas postcard in watercolor style. And it's so simple. And let's get started. I will create the paper. And for our today's class we're gonna use the brush set that I created recently for my Skillshare class, where I shared useful tips how to make some leaves, some stem brushes like snowman, you'll see it here, lovely ones. Also same with the Christmas trees, I'll show you. Also we have some kind of bells. So many different kinds of brushes, some lights I'll show you. So we have so many options how to make very lovely illustrations in Christmas style. Here we can paint different kinds of gifts. So for today's class we're gonna use this lovely brush set, and guys, you don't need to have it, of course. You might use your own brushes, or if you want to check it, I will leave the link in the description of my class. I hope you are ready. If so, let's grab Apple Pencil and Procreate and let's get started. Well, I'm gonna grab Christmas tree one. I'm on a new layer. Let's just duplicate those layers a few times, and I want to create some kind of Christmas tree branches like this. They should be different, of course. Like this. Perfect. Let's create one more layer. Change the color to bright green color. Yeah, I like those leaves. Maybe I will change the color to grass green, like this. And I think it's too green to my mind, so I will go to adjustments, tab hue, saturation and brightness, increase the size, lower the brightness. Just tiny bit, like that. Bright green color, create one more layer, and I want to find maybe those kind of plants. Like this. Now I like that, I'll merge everything together. Create one more layer underneath. Grab brown color and grab branch. Like this. Next step, I will grab red color, create one more layer on the top of everything. Grab blue opal brush, and I want to paint juicy berries. You might choose different sizes. Now let's think what else we might do. I want to remove the transparency. For that I'll duplicate the layer, move to 50%, merge together, duplicate one more time, go to lower layer and go to adjustments and move brightness to 100%. That's pretty fine. Next I'll do same with this red color. Merge together, duplicate, go to lower layer and move to 100%. Merge together. Okay, lovely. Now I want to add some kind of shades. How to do that? I'll create one more layer on the top, press clip and mask, and move to multiply. Next, grab dark green color and grab blue watercolor background. Same with this lovely green color. And I nearly forgot about the second part. Okay, cool. If you want to add more color variations, more dimension, grab BooStudio brush and you can add some shades to the edges of our plants. After that, grab blending tool. I use stereo brush as a blender. Stereo brush is native Procreate brush. Like that. Okay, lovely. If you want, you can duplicate it and the color would be even more saturated. Merge together and merge together. Do the same with red color. Clip it, move to multiply. Red color. And you can add some kind of shades. Do the same here. I forgot about this part. Okay, I think it's pretty much it. Next step, I'll merge together all of it, like that. One more layer underneath. I'll grab pretty bright beige color and I want to grab gingerbread man. And what's interesting about this brush, because when you add those gingerbread cookies, they have different shape and different position. And I think it might be very interesting. If you want, you can increase the size, make them like this. So they're pretty random. If you want, you can move some of the cookies to the left or right by using selection tool. Like this. And I think this cookie we can choose and move to this part. Okay. Next we need to add Merry Christmas quote. I'll create one more layer. Add text and write Merry Christmas. Add. We can increase the size. Select. Increase size. Done. Like that. And guys, here we have options. You can keep it like this. That's already very beautiful. Or you can make some changes. We'll create one more layer underneath, double tap, and we have white color. After that, go grab selection tool and choose rectangle. And now we need to select the area with Merry Christmas and fill this area with white color. So now our Merry Christmas is not covered by gingerbread cookies. You might keep it like that. You might lower the opacity. And this way our cookies look also beautiful. Or you can just turn it off. It's up to you and keep your painting like that. Guys, I hope you enjoyed our short tutorial and now you know how to paint lovely postcard in watercolor style devoted to Christmas. Guys, if you like my tutorial, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in a new class. Bye bye!